हाँ, मैं डॉक्टर ओ पी शर्मा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर SCRS गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज सवाई माधोपुर, BSc पार्ट थर्ड के जो मैथमेटिक्स के स्टूडेंट्स है सेक्शन बी, उसको मैं आज मॉडर्न एलजेब्रा जो है अपने वेक्टर स्पेस पढ़ाऊँगा। वेक्टर स्पेस भी सर्वप्रथम अपन डेफिनेशन हैं, उसमें है लेट एफ एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन बी ए फील्ड, the elements of F will be called scalars. Let V be the non-empty set whose elements will be called vectors. Then V is a vector space over the field if it satisfies the three postulates. Number 1, there is defined an internal composition in V called addition of vectors and denoted by plus. Also for the composition V is an abelian group. There is an external composition in V over F called scalar multiplication and denoted multiplicatively. That is A alpha belongs to V for all A belongs to F and alpha belongs to B. In other words, V is closed with respect to the scalar multiplication. The two composition scalar multiplication and addition of vector satisfy the following postulates. Number 1 है A bracket alpha plus beta, this is equal to A alpha plus A beta for all value of A belongs to F and for all value of alpha beta belongs to B. Second है A plus B within bracket product by alpha, this is equal to A alpha plus B alpha for all value of A B belongs to F and for all value of alpha belongs to V. Similarly, third one is AB multiplied by alpha, this is equal to A bracket B alpha for all value of AB belongs to F and alpha belongs to V. Fourth one is 1 multiplied by alpha, this is equal to 1 for all value of alpha belongs to V, the unity element of the field. When V is a vector space over the field F, we shall say that VF is a vector space. This is the definition of the vector space. Now we are going to define vector subspace. Let V be a vector space over the field F and W is subset of V. Then V is called the subspace of V if W is satisfied is a vector space and F with respect to the operation of vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. Now there is a important theorem which states that the necessary and sufficient condition for non-empty subset W of a vector space VF to be a subspace of V are alpha belongs to W, beta belongs to W implies alpha minus beta belongs to W. Second one is A belongs to F, alpha belongs to W implies that A alpha belongs to W. Proof: the conditions are necessary. If W is a subspace of V, then W is an abelian group with respect to the vector addition. Therefore, alpha belongs to W, beta belongs to W implies that alpha minus beta belongs to W. Also, W must be closed under scalar multiplication. Therefore, the condition is also necessary. The conditions are sufficient. Now, suppose W is non-empty subset of V satisfying the two given conditions. For condition फर्स्ट क्या है, वी हैव अल्फ़ा बिलोंग्स टू एफ डब्ल्यू, अल्फ़ा बिलोंग्स टू डब्ल्यू implies that alpha minus alpha belongs to W implies that 0 belongs to W. Thus, the 0 vector of V belongs to W. It will also be a 0 vector of W. Now, 0 belongs to W, alpha belongs to W implies that 0 minus alpha belongs to W. Therefore, minus of alpha belongs to W. Thus, the additive inverse of scalar element of W is also in W. Again, alpha belongs to W, beta belongs to W implies that alpha belongs to W, minus beta belongs to W implies that alpha minus of beta belongs to W, which implies that alpha plus beta belongs to W. Thus, W is closed with respect to the vector addition of signs of elements of W are also the elements of V. Therefore, vector addition will be commutative as well as associative in W. Hence, W is an abelian group under addition. Also, the condition second, W is closed under scalar multiplication. The remaining postulates of the vector space will holds in W since they holds in V, which is a superset of W. Hence, W is a subspace of V. Thank you.